here. They're doing some work. May have something to do with that Optimum truck. I don't know what's going on here. That's weird. People don't know what to do. Hopefully there aren't signal problems. Well, we might have a fail on the Long Island Railroad. Yeah, we have a fail. This train is not moving. I got on at Great River, it was late, and now it's not moving at all. So we may have something wrong with the train. We're moving again, we'll see what happens. We're moving very slowly. I don't know if it's the train or there's some track condition or something going on.
Back on February 29th.
We're just crawling, so I don't know why we're going so slow. There's a signal. Maybe it's a signal problem. Oh man. Go to the South Shore, I bring the problems with me. I'm sorry. So I bet you know, they don't hold this DA's 406 Semi-Express. So they're not going to hold the connection for this train.
Sorry?
Probably not going to hold it. We'll see what happens.
I'd like a full-size car. Between that and a standard car, I want to get two prices.
Yeah. Alright, she's basically saying there's something with the signals. So, I think we have a signal problem. So, we're going to have the signal problem. There was quite a backup too at the crossing. So, I think the crossings are all stuck in the down position. That's going to be a mess.
You have a shuttle bus, right? Okay, so that comes in here. Okay. How far away is the car right now?
The speed restriction is going to be with us until Bayshore, she said, so we have to go 15 miles an hour, so can't go any more than that.
It's higher than budget. Why are you so expensive?
Yeah, look at the back. Oh my, look at the back up here. Oh my god. It's backed up all the way. Yeah, there's a major problem on the Montauk line. Oh, that's a nice little backup right there. Yeah, this is not good. Look how slow I'm moving. 15 miles an hour, that's it. Coming up to another grade crossing. You're going to see there's going to be a huge backup there because of the issue. All the crossing gates are probably stuck in the down position. That usually happens when there's a signal problem. See, if the gates are down, why do we have to go 15 miles an hour? I don't get it. Oh yeah, it's backed up all. There's a good half-mile backup. People are complaining. Here's the Suffolk Transit Bayshore Yard. I think they said it's all the way to Babylon.
Yes, ma'am, I'm calling back. I'm going on my way to get my
It's gonna screw up the traffic. Let's see how backed up this is. Oh my God, looks like it's backed up all the way to Sunrise Highway. Oh boy. That's probably why those crossing gates were acting funny in the video I took earlier. Yeah, we're picking up speed. Maybe we can resume normal speed now. That one's not backed up. See, we passed the problem. Now it's moving. That's where the problem was. Signal problems. Now we're moving normal speed. Moving again, and I will update you when we get to Babylon as to what's going on. Yeah, it appears that there's a signal trouble in between. She announced again there's signal trouble between Great River and Bayshore. So that's where the signal trouble is. The gates are stuck in the down position, and of course the railroad is not communicating once again. Just another fail on the FAILroad. Okay, we're pulling into Babylon. So we'll see what happens here. There's an M3. Ooh, there's another M3 over there. Another one. Wow, I'm surprised to see M3s in Babylon. Get a little rail fan in it. What did I see? Well, there's some trash. This whole area is very low lying. This is going to flood if there's a major hurricane. This is a big problem for the Babylon line. Something they have not addressed. Ooh, there's some color.
Yeah, I guess like grandma's doing it.
See, I'm hoping they held the low. You gotta remember, the express one is not the one I get on anyway. I have to get on the Babylon one. I'm at the local, but we'll see what happens. Oh, there's some graffiti. Oh, okay, we're gonna have to. Alright, we're gonna have to use a train as a bridge. Alright, so we're coming on track 1. There's gonna be a train we're gonna use as a bridge to get to the other train. It looks like they're holding that train. They're holding the local train, which is the one I need anyway, so. They say there's a train as a bridge. Nope, there is no. Why did they put us over here? Train is a bridge. Why did they put us on this track? She's saying walk through. This is going to be crazy. I'll go downstairs. I'm not going to wait for the...
Huh?
See,
I know, I think we gotta go across the way. Yeah.
this is just stupid. Why did they put us on this track? We gotta go downstairs and then go back up. That's what we're gonna have to do. Let's go. This is crazy. This is insanity. Look what we gotta do here. Oh man, this is messed up. It's like they almost knew I was on the South Shore today and decided to mess with me. Gotta go back up. Back up over here. Why did they put us on track too, man? What the frick? Oh, man. maybe this isn't the train. No, this is the train. I might as well walk to the back. Yeah, they're making us wait till the 4:35. They let the other train go. They let the other train go. Unless they have another train coming in. So they didn't hold the connection. Again, what's the point of a connection if it doesn't wait? I know it would have been 20 minutes late, but they should have held both those trains. No, they don't want to do that. So we have to wait for the 4:35 now. That's the next westbound train. They didn't even hold the local, the 408 local. They didn't hold the 406, and they didn't hold the 408. That's just bull. This is bull right there. I'm sorry. That's because they really only care about their west of Babylon riders. I agree with you, Triple R Glenn. Montauk branch is not great. I will only say it's safe and it's patrolled, but the service on it has much to be desired. Triple R Glenn, you're absolutely right to witnessing this today. Absolutely right.
Now arriving on track 2, platform A, is the 4:24 p.m. train to Babylon.
So we'll have to wait another 10 minutes before we leave. They should have held another one. They should do is have a passenger extra, but they're not going to do that. What's going to happen is people are going to use this train as a bridge. That train, they're going to just get on this train because they're going to use that as a bridge to get over here. I just went up and down the stairs. So I'm going to be a half an hour late now because of this. Absolutely ridiculous. You can't hold connections. What is the point of a connection if you don't freaking hold it? This is what I mean. Oh, and look, they closed that door right away on that side. Look at that. So people couldn't cross over. Unfreaking believable. Did they just do that on the whole train? So people can't cross over? Did they just do that on the whole train? Are you kidding me? Now they got that one open. They got those doors open up there so people can cross over. That's it. People gotta wait now till 4:35. That is unfreaking believable. There you go, folks. You know, they could have at least held the 408, but no. You couldn't do that. What's the point of having a connection if you can't hold it? Yep. There you go, so. That's it for this video. Actually, oops, I realized I was on the wrong train. This is the 4:35 express train. I gotta wait for the 4:39 local train, so I gotta wait another freaking delayed. Because they should have held the 408. They should have held it. Had it leave at 4:20. It would have only been about 12 minutes late. But no, they couldn't do that. So I hate the way this railroad works. What is the point of a connection? This is something that started under Patrick Nowakowski that continues. They don't hold the connections. If you're more than a certain amount late, they don't hold the damn connection. So yeah, I'm glad I got off that train because that's the 4:35 Express. That's not my train. It doesn't stop at Belmore. I gotta wait for the next one, 4:39. Can you believe this? They get rid of these damn expresses already. They should have just local train and that's it. The Huntington connection, they don't get an express. Why should it's too much service. Yeah, that's the express. Amityville, Freeport, yeah, it's the express. So I can't. So I'll be on the next train. I'll go a little more because it looks like we're going to have that M3 that we passed by sitting there. See, this is a semi-express. Why do they have this express then? I don't understand what this express exists for them. 435 express and then 4... it's too much service. At least for the people on my train going to the city, they don't get too delayed. They have an express connection. I thought that they didn't. But they still have another express connection, which is good. But, the rest we're going to be getting on this M3 here. Lead car 9923. This will be our local. There goes that one. Another train sitting here. Is that too much service? Too much service. Sorry, it should just be one train. You don't need two trains. See, the thing is they're deadheading those trains anyway. It's funny though, I see plenty of trains deadheading on the main line, and I don't see them doing extra runs, extra express runs. No, just because, you know. So, that's it. A little bit of action on the railroad today. Those signal problems, they're not fixed. It's going to be bad news for the rush hour on the Montauk line. Bad news. So, getting on this oldie here. Get in the back. Hopefully the back is open. May not be open, I don't know. Usually they always have 12-car trains here too, you notice that. Always 12-car trains. Oh look, the old logo, which I happen to like better. Alright. Nah, the door's open. I can't do a reverse rail fanning. Sorry. Now I am on another train. So, wraps up this video. Another day, another problem on the Long Island FAILroad. Can't make this stuff up.